Auckland's home to one of the largest Pacific populations in the world, and I'm on my way to Kai Pasifika, a new restaurant with a modern take on Pacific Island cuisine, right here in Mount Eden.
Food is a big focal point for Pacific community. It's what we come together over, it's what we celebrate.
Here we wanted to create something with the hint of that tradition, really boost it as far as, I guess, awareness that we can use our ingredients to produce restaurant quality food.
It's just soy sauce mixed with a little bit of liquid smoke, just to help sort of bring out the smoke, and that way we get the flavour of hickory through the liquid smoke and manuka through the actual smoking.
Our place is really about creating that first place that a chef can call home and really start to play and have a good time with their own Pacific food and see how they can present that in quite a different and contemporary way.
Since we've changed the menu, we've had different people come in, and people who've travelled the world, and they're saying that our food at the moment is just as good as anywhere else in the world.
And the Polynesian culture is about sharing, it's about community, it's about family. And you know what? That, for me, sums up the word love. And you can taste it in this food. Amazing.